Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to buckle up because we are going to be PowerPoint pros. That's right. In this YouTube tutorial, I'll teach you how to do this light animation on PowerPoint. First step is to change the background color to the second black. Then go to Insert Text Box and write the word light. Change the font to Retroic and the size to 166 points. Insert a rectangle, then cover all the frame with it. Select everything and go to Merge Shape then Combine. Now you have to change the colors. Remove outlines. Anyway, follow these steps and you will be good to go.